Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to adjust the tint of a video in Canva? The tint setting lets you fine-tune the color balance of your video. It can help reduce unwanted color casts or create a different visual style. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change video tint in Canva Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device, then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. You can also open an existing project if you've already created one. Choose a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find Adjust. Then tap Adjust. A list of adjustment options will appear. Swipe through the adjustment options until you find Tint. Then tap Tint. A tint slider will appear. Drag the slider to adjust the tint of your video. Continue adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Once you are finished, tap the X icon. Then tap the checkmark icon. The new tint setting will be applied to your video. And that's how to change video tint in Canva Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.